guys, finally we are leaving from here. Everybody is getting ready to go, so we'll say goodbye to this camping place. Nice food, nice ambience. The cold was bone chilling. So we are getting ready to pack the things. Almost all are packed. Mine is just left to tie bungee. Otherwise everything is done. So somebody ready?
Yes, ready.
Kiran bhai ready? So let's go.
The roads, hit the mountains.
Wonderful guys, so finally we are leaving this place. So all the promotional shoot for the brand has been done. So Grishan shot the reels and all everything. Grishan and Kirtan bhai, because they both are trying out the race tires. So now we are leaving. Everybody is ready. Risham bhai, I think will be behind that tree or somewhere. So Ravi bhai, me and Kiran bhai are ready. So let's go. Finally. Second. Time to go, boys. So we are going to Mandalpatti, guys. It is around 14-15 kilometers from here. So basically that is the viewpoint for which you have to do off-roads and go. Cars are not allowed. It's allowed, but it's not preferable to take there because jeeps are driving very rash there, and we have to be careful on our bikes too. Before some time even bikes were not allowed there, but now it's allowed. So let's see if we get to go or not. We'll go there and know it. So मिलते हैं वहीं सीधा. Wow, see. Look at this barrage. ಮಿನಿ ಲದಾಖ್
ಉಂಟು ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಬೇಡವಾ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ.
ಸೋಡಾ
ನೀರಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ. ಐತೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತೆ.
Oh, easy peasy, boys. Oh yeah, boy. That's our mini Ladakh series. Let's wait for our boys to come. मैंने पैर एक बार भी नीचे नहीं रखा, बट टायर से जो पानी उड़ा वो है ये सॉरी जस्ट किडिंग
कहाँ करने किधर था वाटरफॉल?
था ना वो लोग जब पुलिस से भाग के चुपते हैं। हाँ काइंड ऑफ ऐसा ही है।
ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು.
Beautiful guys. Our Himalayan boys are not coming. I don't know why. I think they don't want to get their boots wet like us.
Like me, but it went inside.
Even mine. I just put the legs once out, then also.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ. Ladakh light mini. All of them also want to stop here and take some footage.
So we are all having our fun with our bikes on the river side, inside river, like our Madhu bhai, Kirtan bhai and mine. See, all shoes gone wet. There is a waterfall, guys. So now let's get away from here. Madhu bhai, hey guy, first water crossing. How was it? Jeep ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಮಾರ್ರೆ? He destroyed your water. ಈ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ನಾಡೋದು ಅಕ್ಕುಲ್ ರೆಡಿ ಅವ್ರೆ ಬರ್ರೆ. ಅಂದ अरे why is coming back, man? Fuck. See guys, jeep is going from here. हाँ इधर वहाँ ट्रेल्स निकल रहा है. वहाँ जा रहे हैं हम बेसिकली. वो मॉडल पट्टी का एक वो 2 फ्लोर का व्यू पॉइंट है, वो दिख रहा है सामने. ये आपको ऊपर में नहीं दिख रहा था. राइडर्स कैफे. We are not allowed. We are not allowed. So they are telling you can't go. It's just jeeps, associations. That is jeep associations दादागिरी, nothing else. उनका कमाई कटेगा. कल को हम बाइक वालों को छोड़ के, इसके लिए गवर्नमेंट should take strict actions against such peoples and ban them. That's it. Bonda barka. You guys. Oh my god, landslide. That was a big rock, man. तो होता तो चटनी हो जाता था. देखो इधर सब ये तो नहीं है तो है शायद. Oh my goodness, holy moly, what a view. Just अच्छा next बेटा समझो इशारे दे दिए पुकारे. वाह सैडल ಮಾಡುವ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿ ಕಂಪ್ ಸೈಡ್